Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to upload a project to GitHub repository using command prompt. So for that I need to come over into my GitHub and then we need to go for our GitHub dashboard. And from here we can simply get a new option. And then here we need to give a repository name. So for that I'm going to give a demo. And as you can see, demo is available, so I'm going to give it as public and then add a readme file and create repository. After that, here we need to click a new tab, and then here we need to search for git download. And into the git download, here we need to download the git. So for that we need to come over into this website, and from here we need to click on this windows, and then from here we can simply download it for our 64-bit or any of your versions. If you click on that, as you can see, the download has been started. So if you just click on the download, it's about only 67 MB. So we need to download the git. If you didn't download the git, then you must have to download the git. So after completing the download, we need to click on this folder icon and then simply install the git. So for that we need to click on next another time, and next. Press the next all the time, and that's it. And now simply click on install. And so after that, if you click on the right mouse button and click on show more options, here we'll get the open GitHub bash share. So if you click on that,
and here you can see at the top we are able to see our project location. Here you can see HTML tutorial and HTML tutorial. So right now, first of all, we need to initialize our Git to the project directory. So we need to say here git init, then press enter. So it will initialize a Git repository for this. So after that, we need to say here git add space start and press enter. Then we need to give a message. So we need to say here git commit -m, then to double quotation or single quotation, let's say here my first upload. So here we are just giving a message when we are uploading something to the GitHub repository, and this is required. Okay, you cannot skip this part. So if we now press enter, there it will show us the file and folder. Here you can see the file and folder name. I mean the file name, yet we do not have any folder. So after this, we need to say here git remote add origin. Then we need to mention our GitHub repository link. So how can we get the GitHub repository link? For it, we just need to go to our GitHub, and here you can see that in this practice upload repository, we have this port button. If we now click on port, it will show us something like this. So there you can see we need to copy this, or you can just click here and it will be copied. So after copying this, we need to go back to our git command line, and then we need to paste it here. So let me just make it a little bit bigger. So here we need to write git remote add origin, then our GitHub repository link here. Then we can just press enter. After that, we just need to write one more command in order to upload this project to the GitHub, and that is git push -u. Then we say here origin master. And if we now press enter, there you can see it is uploaded to our GitHub. And it is done. So right now, if we just go to our GitHub, there you can see master has a recent pushes 4 seconds ago. There you can see in the main there is nothing, and we need to refresh here. If we just refresh, there you can see in the main there is nothing, but if we click on main, there you can see we have one more branch over here called master. So if we now click on master, there you can see we have 2 files over here, which is index.html and another one is image.jpg. And if we just click on it, it will show us the image. And let me just show you the image in the folder. Let me just zoom in. Here you can see the image over here, which is exactly this one. So this is how you can upload your project to the GitHub using command line. I hope this tutorial was useful to you. If you have any question or suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.